Okay guys, ito na naman tayo. Additional experience. So, unboxing Huawei Mobile Wi-Fi Pro. Siya. Sa gilid, side, NFC automatic connecting. 6,000 milliampere. 32 Wi-Fi user. Up to 32 user can connect. Cat 6, 300 Mbps fast speed. Backside. 6,400 milliampere mobile power bank capacity. This one sold I buy in Amazon SA. So let's see in the box. Okay. In the box, Huawei design. Only this. See, only manual, quick start guide, then instruction. Okay. Then this one after we will see inside of the box have the charger and cable. Let's see. The cable is USB type C. Micro. Okay. And the other one, this one, only a carton. This one. And then we start now. Unbox this. Cat 6. Then top side W focus. Then this the on off button. Then this side WPS, and open this. We have a internet connection direct. This one, and this is the charging port. Input 5 volts to 2 ampere. Very fast charging. This one. This charger is a fast charger. 5 volts 2 ampere. And this one is for power bank output. If your mobile is low bat, you can charge from here. Then you open at the back side. We will see in the back side the same on in the box. And here focus. Here the SIM card slot. And this one also same memory. You can put a 1 terabyte memory as your hard disk. Then this one the reset. No anything inside. So let's start. Then we will put internet SIM card. So let's try. It's a very easy only to fix. You put the SIM card on like this, your internet SIM, then close it, then turn on top side. Button long press, then Huawei logo coming out. This is the NFC logo. Okay, let's see. Then welcome. As you can see, focus. There is a 100%. You can see the percentage of the battery of the pocket Wi-Fi and the signal 4G. This is a 4G and 300 Mbps speed. As of now, like this. If you check the other one, press again this on off button, one press. Then you can see the password and the name of your Wi-Fi. You can also download the Wi-Fi apps for the pocket Wi-Fi. Then you can change it, the name and the password. And this is the IP. And that's it only. Then as of my using, this one can use in 24 hours a day. No need to charge. One full charge equivalent to 1 day, 24 hours use. This is a very nice and heavy duty. The lightweight, not too much. It's look like same weight of a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And very comfortable in hand and pocket, and very easy to use. That's it. Sa mga gustong bumili, okay siya para sa akin kasi ginagamit ko siya kasi lagi ako nalabas. Very fast internet connection. So that's all. Thank you, subscribe and like the button for the next video. Additional experience number 1.